Promise me you'll always be right here by my side. Promise you I'll sing to you when the music dies. Day and every day. If I ever get the nerve to say hello to this cafe, I say you will. Say you will.
The past 4 years have been really amazing. We've been through so many ups and downs. But there's only one thing that I can say. That I love you very much. And I can't imagine my life without you. So with that, will you marry me?
Promise me you'll always be right here by my
Everyone, gano'ng tagal ko na ba sabihin lang? Kamusta ko sila, Pio. Thank you kay Mike Shimamoto. Sobrang galing, sobrang galing.
Badminton na lang!
Thank you sa alumni, thank you sa pagtulong sa pagklaro, sa parents ko, sa parents ni Nan. Thank you.
Sila nandito.
It's really a blessing to be part of this big group, this big family, and
Nan speech, Nan! Nan speech! Bachelor. Yung bulaklak na pipisa. Nan speech, Nan! Like to call father.
thank you so much.
Forever could never be long enough for me.